Okay, stop right there. Don't click out. I know some of you guys might be wondering, who the is this guy talking about summer outfit ideas? Well, I'm just someone living in a country where it's basically summer all year round. So don't worry guys, I got you. I'm gonna show you 4 summer outfit ideas that you can use in different occasions. The first outfit guys is something that you could wear on the beach. It's very simple, my rib color white t-shirt from Uniqlo. Yes guys, I know it needs to be replaced. Uniqlo, if you're watching, please help a brother out. I used here a pattern shorts, somewhat having a Versace vibe. And for the footwear, since we are going to the beach, I just used my slides. For my Filipino brothers out there, you can check out those slides on Shopee. I just bought it for 500 plus. Really comfortable. Just check out the links guys in the description box below. For the accessories, I used a leather sling bag made in Marikina and shades and of course rings and a bracelet from Samos Jewelry. This bracelet guys screams summer because of the design. As you can see, it's a rope bracelet with matte black metal details. Very cool, elegant design. You can get this guys for 29.99 euros on their Instagram, Samos Jewel, or on their website, which I'll be linking down below. Next outfit guys, we're gonna go casual this time. Something you can wear in the city or maybe when you're hanging out with your friends. This time we're gonna go crazy on the shirt because we're gonna use something that is not plain. We used a striped tee tucked in a white short. And for the footwear guys, white Nike socks and sneakers from Zebra Oasis. We have this very chill and light vibe. And for the accessories guys, a simple crossbody phone bag, 2 rings, and another bracelet guys from Samos Jewelry. I love the color of this one because it pops out on most of my outfits. This one is called Ficuza and you can also get this for 29.99 euros. And speaking of Samos Jewelry guys, this is a brand that focuses on making elegant looking rope bracelets. They also have some leather ones and some beaded bracelets, which is one of my favorites and you're gonna see it later. So don't forget to check them out guys because they have an ongoing promotion where you can buy 2 and get 1 bracelet for free. They have a wide variety of minimalist and versatile pieces on their website. So check them out guys. I'll be linking it down in the description box below. But before that, if you are enjoying the video, comment below because I want to know if there's a lot of you guys who want to see more of me, more of my videos. So let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it guys. We are now on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Let me know. The next one guys is something you could wear when you're hanging out with your friends or maybe a party on the beach. Something a little bit dressed up, but not really because we're still gonna wear shorts. And this time, I wore a white tank top tucked in a dark brown shorts. Just layer it with a beige long sleeves and you're good to go. And also wear loafers with no-show socks. For the accessories, a simple leather sling bag from Urban Revival, my silver watch from Natu for that elevated look, a ring, and of course another bracelet guys from Samos Jewelry. This one is called Alberca. It has a Samos Jewelry logo. You can get this one for 24.99 euros only. And for my Filipino brothers out there, I'll be linking some alternatives below, so don't forget to check it out from Shopee, Lazada. Don't worry guys, it'll be very affordable. And for a last look, if you have a friend who owns a yacht, you have a yacht party, or maybe just go there to take some pictures, you can wear this one because it's very clean and still very elegant looking. I used here a black tank top from Kentucky. Guys, this is size extra small and it fits me really well. For reference guys, my height is 5'8" and I am 60 kilos. For the pants guys, I used this pajama pants that I got from H&M. It feels really luxurious because of the design and the fabric. Really flowy, which is just perfect for summer. I wore my Joseph Spectator loafers here, but you can also wear some slippers or maybe slides. And for the accessories guys, really simple shades, ring, a shiny bracelet, and of course another Samos Jewelry bracelet on the left hand. This one guys is my favorite. This is a beaded bracelet called Kolpa. It features matte black beads with a silver cube in the middle, which is a really elegant look, and I'm sure that I'll be wearing this one even if it's not summer anymore. You can also get this guys for 29.99 euros on their website. And there you go guys, there's your 4 summer outfit ideas. I hope you enjoy summer because we are not enjoying it here.